I love how compact and creative this drying rack is. I've been looking for a wall-mounted option that stays out of the way, and this one is perfect. And thanks so much to the brand for sending it over in exchange for my feedback. Installation is super easy. You can mount it without drilling it on smooth surfaces, or you could use the screws provided for regular walls. When it's not in use, you can barely notice it, but at the same time, you can fit quite a few hangers on it. It feels sturdy once up, and I love that I didn't have to struggle with complicated instructions or tools. When it's open, it can hold about 10 or more pieces of clothing, making it perfect for air drying, freshening your clothes, or just hanging items after ironing. And when you're done, it folds right back in and barely takes up any room at all. This was definitely a great find. Check it out.